speak to you today, not only because you are concerned Filipinos about the welfare of our country, not only because you are victims, or we are victims, of the inefficiencies, ineptitude, and outright stupidity, and worst of all, benign caring of this government. I do not believe that this country can survive another 6 years of the same thing. And yet, there's going to be a huge and tremendous effort using a lot of money, more money than we can ever conceive of, that I can ever conceive of in my lifetime. Na talagang inipon po nila na nakasadya pong gastusin at meron po napakalaking pondo para sa eleksyon diyan. So, again, there will be an attempt na lutuin po tayo sa ating sariling mantika. But the price of that, if we surrender, the price of that is another 6 years of the same thing. The same banana, the same people who live in their own different world. Iba po kanilang daigdig sa daigdig natin at daigdig po ng tao at daigdig po ng masa. So this is my promise to you. I promise you that on day 7, we will start the program for the fastest internet speed in the world, which will be based on fiber optic, which will be the most modern facility, state-of-the-art, state-of-the-art circa 2016. Alam ko po na nakakatuwa po pakinggan. Pero hindi naman po mahirap gawin eh. It's so simple, build, operate, transfer. Because I am also going to open up to foreign investment. Isa po sa plano ko yan. Isa po sa plano of government. I am going to open up to foreign investment. 60% po will be allowed for foreign investment. And 40% will be reserved for Filipinos para meron naman po pwedeng pag-investan na maayos yung Pilipinas. Foreigners can own land. I will be removing all import taxes of equipment and all goods. We will be a tax-free domain, just like Hong Kong. We will be removing all taxes on petroleum products, gasoline, oil, electricity, because part of our program is to educate our people. That's my program number 1. Papakita ko po sa inyo to, you don't mind, para makaintindihan po tayo ng ginagawa natin. Meron po ako ditong bookmark. Kaya, sila. Saklolo. Saklolo sa lolo. What Tito Boboy si Hugo is all about. Bigay mo ito. It's called Bookmark Collection for a Genius. So each one of you deserves to have one. Sa likod po nito, hintayin ko po na may kalat. Meron na. Yung one lang in person. Hard as it is to put on, that is what makes it valuable. At saka kung meron naman po magtapon sa bangketa, di pulutin po natin. Biyunin natin. Okay. Lahat po meron na. Okay. Babasahin ko po. Okay? Para maintindihan lang po ninyo. Tapos babalik po tayo sa day 7. Yung day 1 po natin is libreng edukasyon para sa lahat. Ito po programa ko galing pa po sa Iloilo. For 12 years, nabigay po ako to 60,000 students, all grade school, elementary, and high school, ng libreng school bags, libreng school supply, at libreng uniform. So this is a continuation of that. So, libreng edukasyon para sa lahat. Alam po ba ninyo kung anong diferensya? What is the difference? Ano po ang pagkakaiba ng mga anak ng mga mayaman at anak ng mga mahihirap? Ano po ang pagkakaiba? Ha? Yung bank account? Ang pinakamalaki po pag... Ako na po sasagot ng tanong ko, no? Para mabilis tayo. Ang pagkakaiba nung anak na mayaman at anak na mahirap ay edukasyon. Education is the great leveler. Kaya po, for the last 4 centuries, 400 years, we could never bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Kasi po, wala pong edukasyon na facility na naibibigay sa mga anak ng mga mahihirap.